kind of bird it is, but I'm trying not to break her claw. I got her other foot unstuck. There we go.
Little finch.
Hi, sweetheart. You can't be running into windows. Is your leg okay?
Fall down here, he'll eat you.
Yeah. Is your legs okay? Can you see? Right.
What is that? Let me see the color. Is she okay?
I don't know. Oh. Yeah, she perked back up. She just got her claws in her beak stuck in the screen. I've never seen that before.
Should I put her in the chicken coop? See if she lays an egg? Oscar, show her how to drink water.
Oscar, quit. Says I don't need any water, people. You're getting me wet.
Let her fly away. Oscar, we know you know how to drink water.
Okay.
Just knocked herself out.
My goodness, yeah. I mean, I think she doesn't look to be hurt.
Just needed a second.
Oh. You just need a minute.
Watch your eyeballs. That beak is something.
Never been able to hold or pet a wild bird. It's kind of cool. Honey.
Go night-night.
My goodness.
Imagine a wild bird. I mean, she obviously got a little bit stunned, but like, imagine your first human interaction and now you're just kind of chilling because I mean, she's standing.
Yeah, she seems to be okay.
That is insane. I've never seen anything like that.
I know. I wonder how big do finches get? Or is she a baby?
No, they stay pretty small.
Okay.
Yeah, she's like an adult. I'm assuming she's a finch just because she's smaller in that beak.
So she's just pretty chill. I mean, nothing seems to be like hurt or broken.
No, she's standing on her own.
Yeah, just her claws and her beak were stuck in the window screen. That's all. Oh, she's just...
We can't keep her though.
She's saying thank you for saving me. Hi, honey.
Sees her reflection, I think. We can't keep her.
Oh.
Well, that's
Okay.
cool, but that's the wrong way to fly.
Oh my gosh.
I hope she poops on you.
She already peed on my hand. Oh my gosh.
Hey, mouth breathers. Oh, there she goes.
Hi, honey.
What if like an eagle swooped down and...
Stop. I cannot believe that.